Welcome to Countdown, a card game focused on increasing your maximum range of motion. The goal of Countdown is to be the first player to run out of cards. Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. When it's your turn, you will see the purple arrow in the middle of the screen pointed down at your cards. On your turn, you need to choose to play or draw a card with the buttons on the left of your play area. Press Next. You can play a card from your hand if it matches the color or number of the card played last by one of your opponents. To play a card, touch it, and then press the play button. The currently selected card will have a red highlight around it to let you know which card you are about to play. Press Next. If you don't have a card to play, you will need to draw a card for your turn by pressing the Draw button. Press Next. Some cards are more powerful than others. One of the best is the wild card, which can be played following any card your opponents play, and when you play it you will get to select which color it switches to. Press Next. There are a few other powerful cards that cause special effects when played. The +2 card makes your next opponent draw 2 cards, the reverse card switches the direction of play, the skip card skips the next player's turn. Press Next. You can always see what color of card you have to play, with the box next to the discard pile in the middle of the screen. Press Next. Each time you play or draw a card, you'll need to complete an exercise. You'll see your controller pop up on screen and be asked to do a movement. Follow the instructions closely and try your best. Press Next. You will earn points based on how well you played the game. You get 100 points for playing a number card, 150 points for a special card, 200 points for a wild card, 1,000 points if another player wins the game, and 5,000 points if you win the game. Good luck! I hope you always have the card you need.